Okay, you guys, we got another one on Highway 60. This is in the town of Ikea, I think. Oh, check that out over there. Where is it? There's another old sign. Food Mart. No more. It's closed. Look at, there actually used to be a telephone here. Haven't seen one of those in a long time. Look at that. Public pay telephone. Wow. That's amazing. Someone's broke all the windows out in here. Can't see nothing. Let's see. Another old motel. That is the name of the town right there. I think this is all closed down too. Yep. It's all closed down. And that sign doesn't have nothing left to it. That's how a lot of them are now. The old neon signs, there's like nothing left of them. Well, there we go. There's another bunch of businesses on the Highway 60 going to Wickenburg that are no more. No more. Please like and subscribe. Please share on your social media and please comment. All these things help my channel to grow. Thank you guys. Peace. Oh, there's Zena. And look, my trusty sidekick is right there in the window. What is she doing? She's in the window wondering where Mommy is. There's my trusty little sidekick. There she is. There she is. Going, come on. What you doing? Why are you going opposite of me? She's just not much of a camera person, you know? She doesn't pose for me very often. I'm trying to get her to do more posing for me. But nope, she don't want to. Tinkerbell. See, she goes opposite. I go over here, she goes over there. I go over here, she goes over there. You're so funny. What are you doing? What are you doing? I want you to come over here so there's no screen. Yeah. All right, you guys, peace.